How are you today? Good. Oh, I saw Jeremy. He already took out his textbook. Very good. So everyone, your textbook should be on your desk. Yes. All right, I think you're all ready. So today we are going to talk about lesson 1. So please now turn to page 12. Last time we already finished the vocabulary part. Alright, so give it a check. Today we are going to talk about the reading and the grammar part. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Let's choose. Okay, Zoe, what did you eat for lunch today? Yes, pork, rice. Okay, so what kind of vegetable? Eggplants. Oh, do you like that? Not really. Alright, so what is your favorite food then? French fries. Alright. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the issue, the problem of food. And later on, I will play the audio file. Please listen to it carefully because I'm going to ask you several questions. Okay, now I want to check that you all sit with your group members, right? So each group we should have dark horse, player, and coach. So dark horse, raise your hand. Okay, player. Very good. Coach. All right. Now I will have 3 questions for each member in the group. Okay. So the dark horse. Your question is, do Taiwanese people waste a lot of food every day? Wait, not yet. Okay, I will call you in. Player, your question will be, what can you do in the 500 activity? And for a coach, your question will be, what else can you do to save food in your daily lives? Alright, so please pay attention to the questions here. And after listening the audio file, I will ask you to answer it. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Alright, we finished listening. Now it's your turn. So let's welcome Dark Horse from Group 1. Okay, so Abby, do Taiwanese people waste a lot of food every day? Yes. How did you get this information? From which line in the textbook? Very good. Line 2. Taiwanese waste tons of food, almost tons of food every day. Alright, let's welcome, so 1 point for you. And let's welcome the player from group 3. Okay. So Yenny, what can you do in the 500 activity according to the reading? No, it's not in the first paragraph. Please look at the second paragraph and you can see what can you do. Do you see this sentence? And there are 2 points, right? So please read it out loud for us. Very good. You can do what? Don't eat for 12 hours and give food or money to a charity. Yes, very good. Okay, this is your point. And let's welcome the coach from Group 6. What else can you do to save food in your daily lives? That will come, Emily. Yes, you can just take the food, then you can finish. Very good. This is a very good way. All right, I think you now have a briefly understanding of this reading. Now, I want you to write a mind map in your textbook to have a better understanding. All right, so from this reading, we can see that there are problems. What kind of problems? The first one is the food waste in Taiwan. And the second one is the global hunger. So global means that around the world. It happens around the world. But we don't stop here. We want to solve this problem. So we have an activity called what? Fight hunger. Very good. Fight hunger. And what can you do? First, don't eat for 12 hours. Second, give money or food to a charity. Alright, please write it down in your textbook. Okay, now please look at the last sentence in your in the reading. Please highlight this sentence. Don't eat for 12 hours. You can only have water. So here, have water means what? Drink water. You can also say have food, which means eat food. And please look at the previous sentence. Please circle the word after don't. Eat. So circle the word eat. Don't eat. So here, don't is an auxiliary verb, 助动词. After that, you should add a verb root, eat, here. Okay, so this is also the grammar that we are going to talk about today. So, if you want to ask yes/no question, okay, now I want to ask you some questions. All right, Jack, do you like to eat vegetables? You can say yes or no. No, you don't. Okay. So the sentence is, do you like to eat vegetables? And Jack's answer is no. I don't. Alright, now another question is for Jeannie. Do you like English? Yes, you do. Okay, yes, you do. So if you want to answer yes, the reply is yes, I do. The last question for Zoe. Do you like BTS? The K-pop group? No, you don't. Alright, it's okay. So here, the grammar pattern will be like do, and the subject here, you, or you can say that, and a verb. So pay attention to the subject. Here, it should be the plural form, which means 复数, okay, more than two. And the reply will be yes, I, or we do, or no, I don't. Alright? So that's the way that you can ask others yes/no question, and you can also know how to reply. Alright, so let's have a briefly review for our today's class. Today we talk about a food issue, a food problem. That's a food waste problem. And also, we learn how to solve this, right? We have an activity called Fight Hunger, trying to solve this problem. And also, we learn how to use the yes/no question to ask others, and also you know how to answer it, right? So far, so good? Okay, now, I want to give you a homework. The homework is that I want each one of you to think of one way of safe food. Alright, please write down the practical way and in English and practice it. Next time when you come to the class, I will ask you to share on the stage. Alright? Okay? If there's no problem, there's no questions, then our class just ends here. See you next time.